Pete Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Today we're going to be furthering ourselves into the rust prevention of your vehicle, and I'm going to share with you where rust hides inside your vehicle and how to stop it so that it doesn't keep growing and cause you more issues. Now, you're going to need a couple of tools here, but other than that, it's very simple. If there's rust in your vehicle, it will be on the driver's side. First thing you want to do is take our panel tool and pop up our sill plate. Pull that out. Take a look under the carpet. Well, look at the rust right there. Now, I've already treated this. That's why it looks wet, but it's not. But this right here is going to town on your floorboard on your driver's side because this is the side that stays the most wet. So what happens is this will rot out from the top faster because it's continuously wet from wet feet and people not using floor liners. And we're going to share with you the floor liners we use. Just so you can protect your floor. But watch what we do to fix this and not have to worry about it anymore. Now you can grind all that down. There's no sense in doing that. What we do is this. That's already started to rust. You can spray primer on it, all that. It's not going to help you. Mineral oil. And all you do is you put some on it. You've got your gloves and you rub it in. You can spray it on if you want, but we like to put it on and let it run down into the cracks and crevices. And you can lift your carpet up as far as you want to see where the rust is under there. But most of the time, as you see by this one, that protector plate right here, this rubber sound deadener, is keeping it from rusting there. It's just in this area right here. After we do that, all we do is take a piece of plastic. You can use anything you want. You can use a piece of a garbage bag or whatever you want to use, and we just lay it over it. It's a little bit sticky because it's already been treated. And what this does is it seals it and it keeps it nice and moist from the pad under here absorbing the mineral oil. No more worries about whether that floor is going to rust out. We hope this helps you. We got so many great videos coming. You're not going to want to miss them. So with that, have a great day. Glad you're here with us. Come back again. Take care, ladies and gentlemen.